going to show you how to replace your glove box latch for an Uplander 2007. My latch broke, so here's the handle, and the latch part I have to unscrew. So I'm going to show you how to replace that. So we just need a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm just going to undo these two screws here. Alright, so those screws are now off. Now the next thing is to take the latch part out here. To do that, I just need to pry this out. Alright, so I pried this out. Now it's time to put the new latch in. So I just bought one off eBay, and I'm going to open it up and install it. Alright, so here's the new latch. This one has a key in it. You don't need to get one with a key, but this one should fit. I'll show you how to get that on eBay afterwards. So we're just going to take these two screws out of the back here. And we're going to install it. So you want to put this little lip here, you want to put this down first. This goes in the bottom. Alright, so that just snaps in place. All you need to do now is put the two screws in, and that should pretty much it. There. And I'll try out the key. Oh, it's locked. And perfect. All good. Good as new. So you may want to purchase the new latch on eBay, and you'll want to look for the term Glove Box Latch Uplander 2007. These latches that I have here are fairly inexpensive. You can find them for about $20 Canadian or so. I purchased one including shipping for about $30. So it's relatively inexpensive and very easy to replace. One of the things is some of these latches have a key and a lock. You don't need to get the one with the key and the lock. It's your own personal preference. You'll probably want to match the color that you have already.